In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your primary email on LinkedIn. This is a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference if you're using a new email address or if you want to ensure you're receiving all LinkedIn notifications in your preferred inbox. Let's walk through each step together to make sure everything is clear and simple for you. First, you'll need to head over to linkedin.com and sign in to your account. Enter your credentials and make sure you're logged in to the right account, especially if you have multiple LinkedIn profiles. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, you'll find your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. It may just be your profile picture if you've uploaded one, or a generic icon if you haven't. Click on this icon to bring down a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option labelled Settings and Privacy. Selecting this will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. It's like the control center for your LinkedIn profile, and it contains all sorts of options to customize your experience. Once you're on the Settings and Privacy page, direct your attention to the left-hand side. Here you'll find several categories, but for now, we want to focus on Sign In and Security. Click on that option. This section is all about the security settings for your account, helping you manage your login information and more. Now, within the Sign In and Security section, you should see an option titled Email. Go ahead and click on it. This is the crucial step because it's where you have control over your email addresses associated with your account. It's important to have accurate information here to maintain the security and accessibility of your profile. After you've clicked on email, you'll see a list of email addresses that are linked to your LinkedIn account. If you have added more than one email, a secondary email might be listed alongside your primary one. This is where you can manage which email should take the lead. Now, simply select the secondary email that you would like to make your primary email address. There should be an option to make primary next to it. Click on that and LinkedIn will prompt you to confirm this change. Follow any further instructions to complete the process, and that's it. You've successfully changed your primary email on LinkedIn. This small change will ensure that your LinkedIn communications are directed to the email address you check most frequently, keeping you up to date with any important notifications or messages. If you ever need to change it again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you today.